Hello friends, I am your Hindi teacher. Yesterday what happened? Yesterday I and my friends went inside the magical forest for searching the lost sword crystal. Here Ishita saw something. She told, "Look, something is glowing ahead." Then Bunty told, "Let's go, it could be a sword crystal." Then friends, we reached near a shining crystal floating above on an ancient stone. Suddenly what happened, the crystal talked with us. Crystal told, "Welcome, explore. I am the sword crystal A." Then I told, "Amazing! We found the first vowel crystal." Then again Crystal told, Okay. To earn my power, you must complete 6 challenges." Children, the next Crystal told, "Your first challenge is simple. Find a word that starts with A." Then Ishta told, "I am ready." Bunty also told, "Let's begin the adventure." The next what happened, a red foot appeared from behind a tree. Then Ishta told, "Hey, I found it, a nar." Then Crystal told, "Excellent! One challenge completed." Yes, next what happened, I shocked. Suddenly, a giant snake appeared on the path. Then Bunty told, "Hey, don't worry, it is a Ajgar." Then Crystal told, "Correct, 2 challenges completed." Next, what happened, when we was moving forward, we crossed a river and found 2 hidden treasures. Then Ishita told, "This is an ananas." Bunty told, "And this is adrak." The next what happened, Crystal clapped and told, "Wonderful work." Friends, our adventure continued and we reached in a magical village. There, Ishita saw something. Ishita told, "Look, an akhbar." Bunty told, "And there is an hospital." Then Crystal again clapped and told, "Fantastic! All 6 challenges are completed." We all clapped. Children, let's repeat all the words with me. These words are starting with the letter A. A, anar. A, ajgar. A, ananas. A, adrak. A, akhbar. A, aspatal. Children, now we have learned the Swar A successfully. The crystal flew into the Swar collection board. Friends, next what happened, Suddenly a glowing mystery fruit appeared in the sky and one mysterious voice came. Can you guess the next word? Children, friends, please help to us. Write the name of this fruit in the comment box. I am waiting.